yari, dosti, maitri. You call it by any term, but the emotion is universal. दोस्ती नाम है सुख दुख का, दोस्ती राज है सदा मुस्कुराने का। यह पल दो पल की पहचान नहीं, दोस्ती तो फर्ज है उम्र भर निभाने का। Take me to those lanes of childhood where we friends played in the neighborhood. The sunny days filled with laughter and the rainy days spent in the playful banter. Pranks, gossips, jibes, we had it all. Empty pockets, big hearts, and giving hands. Can you all recall? But where are those friends? Perhaps lost in the wrinkles of your face? Or have they faded from your memory, just like the grays in your hair? Or have you all locked them in the chest of your hearts? Remember, they had stood up for you once upon a time, and you had realized that you have found friends for a lifetime. When you were lost, they became your charioteer and brought up a cheer which you can never forget, now or forever. Have you forgotten those promises of friendship you made under the starlit sky? Wouldn't you all want to relive and revive those moments? I am sure you all want to try. Therefore, my dear friends, I urge you to watch one such story where Chatur and his friends rely on their bond of friendship and take a dip in the chakra view of the internet, showcasing a story that you will never forget. This story is the adaptation of the book Chatur Chanakya versus the World Wide Web, written by a very prolific writer, Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai. And it is our great honor that we are showcasing this story in the esteemed presence of Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai himself. So, ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause for this thrilling and exhilarating experience.
Hari Om and Namaste everyone. I am here to dwell on a very serious matter, and it is to convince my parents to give me a gadget. Yes, you have heard it right. A gadget. Aha! I can see some eyebrows raised. There, I can see a sly smile on that gentleman's face. And here, I can see the lady in that corner shrugging her shoulders. I am sure it is going to be a Herculean task for me. My friends say that getting a gadget from their parents involves a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. Is it true? But, audience, I hate tears. My friends say that getting a gadget from their parents. I am sure all of you must have sailed in this boat. So can you all suggest some ways to have a smooth sail in the choppy waters I'm about to enter? Okay, I know this is my battle to go ahead with, but I request you all to cheer me up as I finally ask the dreaded question to my parents. Here I go. Amma, Appa, I am angry with you.
What happened, my son? Why are you angry?
Ever since I have joined Arya Gurukul and made up a lot of new friends, I have realized that you have kept me away from the real world. I have only been studying ancient Indian scriptures, Arthashastra, Ramayana, Mahabharata and the Vedas. But even though I know everything about the past, I don't know anything about the future, which is science and technology.
What kind of demand is this? You are too young for these gadgets.
It is a reasonable demand, Amma. The world has changed a lot. All my friends have knowledge about social media, the internet, and so many technological advancements. In front of them, I look like a caveman living under a rock.
How can you?
Okay, okay. We will see.
Thanks, Appa. Friends, did this conversation with my Amma and Appa ring a bell? Doesn't this conversation seem familiar? And the three words, we will see, said by my father, seem to be a permanent fixture in the lives of children. It means that you may get it, but some conditions will be definitely applied. Don't you agree? The moment my father said, we will see, it ignited a hope in me. But soon I realized that I may get a gadget, but that would depend a lot on what they will see and how they will see it. Friends, this is what happens to me if I ask for something, especially for a gadget. Did you ever face such a situation? I am sure you must have, because it seems to me the story of every household. Kahani ghar ghar ki, I must say.
Chanakya, Chanakya.
I would definitely like to know your side of the story, but for now, I can hear my friends calling out to me. I wonder what they will say about my struggle to get a gadget. Let's find out. Checkmate.
Awesome!
Hey buddy, what took you so long?
My Amma and Appa are discussing whether I should get a gadget or not. You know, it was a real struggle to put up my demand. But I do see the light at the end of the tunnel because they have used the words, we will see. You people are so lucky to have the gadgets.
Yes, we are lucky. But do you know, for everything, somehow our mobile is the culprit. Yesterday, my stomach was aching, and my mom said it was all because of my Instagram. Apparently, according to her, I spent a lot of time on the gram, and that is, therefore, the cause of my stomach ache. Can you all just imagine it?
No, we can't.
The other day, I was not able to find one of my socks. So, my father said, this is all because of the magical powers of your Facebook. You seem so captivated by it that you don't know where you are or where your things are.
You know, I told my mother the other day, I will not eat this veggie. And she said, why don't you ask your Twitter account to cook you some sushi or an Italian pasta or a fully loaded cheese pizza? I was so taken up that I literally swallowed the veggie kept in front of me without even uttering a single word.
And for me, I was shivering due to severe cold and was just browsing my mobile phone. In comes my mother and says, give some rest to your mobile phone. I'm sure you are shivering because of that wretched mobile of yours.
You know, I simply said to my mother, I'm unable to sleep, mother. And she replied, why don't you ask your Snapchat to put you to sleep? I just gaped at her without blinking my eyes.
YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. We used to be strangers, but that's not true. Feels like I'm getting closer to you. I read and hear all about you. Doesn't matter if you don't reply. I know we're friends, and that's no lie. You always say good morning, hello, and hi. I know where you go, what you do, how you feel, and why. YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. We used to be strangers, but that's not true. closer to you. Google, Insta, Spotify, so many out there for you to try. Discord, Snapchat, Telegram, so many out there for you to try. You always say good morning, hello, and hi. I know where you go, what you do, how you feel, and why. YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, we used to be strangers, but that's not true. Feel like I'm getting closer to you. So put your life on the web and you will find like-minded people who'll have a good time. Ever since you came into my life, I don't feel alone, 'cause you always say good morning, hello, and hi. I know where you go, what you do, how you feel, and why. YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, we used to be strangers, but that's not true. Feel like I'm getting closer to you.
What my friends shared today are the familiar glimpses of every household. Don't you agree? Our parents feel that today's generation eats, sleeps, and breathes, or rather lives for technology. The $1,000,000 question is, why don't they trust us with the gadgets? Why do they have this insecurity when it comes to the use of gadgets? Shouldn't they help us embrace the technology? What is stopping them? How should this be resolved? We need to ponder and contemplate. Oh, but before you all go into the mode of contemplation, I am sure by now you might want to know, who am I? Why am I having this conversation with you? Why did I ask for a gadget? Did my parents agree to give me a gadget? Wouldn't you all want to know? For that, my dear friends, you need to be part of my story. The story that will put all the pieces of this puzzle in its right place. So, let the story begin.
आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा। प्यार की सुगंधें हो, तारों की बारातें हो, दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो, सबको यही दिल के संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा। प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो, दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो, सबको यही दे के संदेशा।
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, beta.
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Lakshmi? Miss Maths Wizard, you are lost in some deep thoughts. Are you cracking another maths problem in your head?
Yes, Arjun. On the way to school too. She seemed a little lost. I think something is brewing in her head up there.
No reply from you yet. I was expecting some razor sharp and unrestrained volley of answers. What has happened to your outspoken attitude, my dear sister?
Nothing's brewing up, my dear friend. And hey, Arjun, my little brother, the mischief monger. I know all your naughty jibes, alright? You better watch your words, huh?
Thank God. Lakshmi is back to her normal self. I thank the great heavens.
Stop exaggerating.
I am enjoying this. This seems to be a war of words. I think I will enter this arena too, but whom will I target? Oh, who's better than my elder brother Datta? But what to say about my elder brother except that he is the oldest amongst us all and nothing else.
Is it Mr. Chatterbox? Don't come chirping and chattering with your problems to me then, cause your quack, quack, quack is always senseless.
What do you feel about this funny banter, Millie? Oh, come on, don't be shy.
Stop bothering her, Lakshmi. She is the shyest of us all. You know she'll hardly respond. Leave her alone.
This is fun. In this casual banter, we all have brought out each other's qualities. But it seems we have left out one person, and he is
The bravest.
The boldest.
the most intelligent.
The most persevering and the coolest.
And the wisest of all.
Chatur Chanakya, our friend Chatur Chanakya, and we are the amazing Super Six of Ganesh Colony.
Arjun.
Lakshmi.
Aditya,
Datta.
Millie.
and Chatur Chanakya.
एक दूसरे पे मर मिटने का, एक दूसरे से झगड़ने का, याराना 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 एक ही थाली में खाते हम साथ ही हैं, बातें बड़ी करते पर जिन्हें तो खाली है ये दिल का जहां, एक दूजे बिना वीराना 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 याराना 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 याराना
So, now that you know who am I and who my friends are, you have now unraveled some pieces of the puzzle. So now, let us move ahead to fit the other pieces of our puzzle in our story. How beautiful are the evenings in Ganesh Colony, always filled with fun and frolic.
Yes, yes, indeed.
Something seems wrong with Aditya and Datta. Did you look at the glum looks on their faces?
Hey Aditya, did your father scold you again for playing games on your computer for too long?
Be quiet, Arjun. Maybe it's something serious. What happened? What's wrong, Aditya?
There is a real problem at home. We may leave Mumbai soon.
What?
We may soon be going to Aurangabad.
No, don't go. How can you go away and leave the Super 6?
We don't want to go, but we don't have a choice.
What, guys? A gang will be incomplete without you both. What about your promise to me? You both promised to teach me computers, and I had promised to teach you everything I know about the ancient Indian wisdom. We had a deal, guys. Don't you remember?
I very well remember it. Don't worry about it. We will manage to teach you technology using technology by using Facebook and emails.
But it will not be the same. We will miss your presence and your company.
Yes, yes, we will miss you both.
It is going to be very difficult without you two.
Hey, guys, look at the time. It's very late. We should all go home, or else we will be late for dinner.
Lakshmi? Lakshmi! Come out of your thoughts. Is something bothering you?
Huh? Nothing. I need to hurry. Arjun has already left.
I wonder what is troubling her. Last week in the school bus too, she didn't show any excitement about a selection to the inter-school match tournament, and the response to it was very underwhelming. I need to find out. I smell a rat. दाल में कुछ काला जरूर है.
Arjun, stop playing on the iPhone. Go and study now. Enough of it.
But mom, it's just the last round of the game.
I said now.
What should I do now? Bingo! The laptop is open. What luck. But, oh no. Oh, this cannot be true. My God, who can it be? Yes.
A lot of homework is pending. If we don't finish it, we'll get a remark.
Do you know Lakshmi is participating in the maths tournament? Yes, I know. And I'm pretty sure this time Lakshmi would win.
I wonder where Lakshmi is. She is never this late to school.
Hey, think of the devil.
Oh, I'm so sorry for being late. Today, we have an assembly. We shouldn't be late for school. And I have to collect some stuff from Anjali. Who are these weird boys? Why are they laughing at us?
I think he is Ashok of the Malhar house. Look, just ignore them. Don't pay any attention.
Look, here comes the high and mighty math guru, Miss Lakshmi.
How disgusting. Come, Lakshmi, let us move.
Any trouble, girls?
Nothing. Let us all hurry. Assembly will begin soon.
Yes, I know. I wonder where Chanakya is.
And I wonder where Anjali is.
Hey Millie, hey Lakshmi, take this. Congratulations Lakshmi for selection for the maths tournament. This time you were selected. But I promise I will defeat you the next time around. My dear friend.
Oh, really?
Yes, my dear friend Lakshmi.
Don't forget what I did for you.
I know. Come on, let's go now.
Lakshmi, what is she talking about?
It's nothing.
You and your mysteries. Let's go. Hari Om and Namaste students, please be seated. In today's assembly, I want to address an important issue. I know most of you and your parents use social media, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, and even YouTube. We find information and new ideas for projects and assignments online. It opens our minds to a new world of possibilities. But we all can be easily addicted. You all know that. Did you know we are vulnerable to attack when we are online? We can be targets of cyber crime. There was one such recent case in a nearby school where one girl was the victim of a cyber bully who made her meet at some secluded spot. But thankfully, one teacher from her school saw her and sensed that something was wrong. When she confronted that stranger, he got scared and ran away. The girl is safe now, but remember, it could be any one of you.
What should we do then?
Be cautious. Given the rise in the number of cyber criminals and bullies, there have been number of cases of people who have been harassed and bullied by their own classmates. This is called cyber bullying.
What precautions can we take, ma'am?
I am not telling you to avoid using your accounts. That would be rather impractical. We should all be thinking practically and progressively and acting responsibly with complete awareness. But communication is the key. Please feel free to contact me or our school counselor, Miss Pallavi, in case you feel something is wrong.
Remember, don't be a victim of cyberbullying and don't be a cyberbully. The digital footprint you leave back on the internet can hamper your future. Remember, we can't just throw caution to the wind.
Be aware and be safe. Thank you. Hari Om. All please go to your respective classes now.
Oh, Arjun, here you go again, lost in your thoughts. Come, let's go. I am waiting for Arjun. He had told me to wait at our usual spot. Something is fishy. First, Lakshmi was acting strange. Now, Arjun is acting weird. What is wrong with this brother and sister duo? God only knows.
Chanakya.
Arjun, are you okay? You look absent during the lessons, and even during the assembly, you were fidgety and nervous.
I want to tell you something. First, listen to me. Oh, please listen.
OMG! This is unbelievable! Who can that be? Arjun, are you sure?
Yes, Chanakya, it is true. And I am sure. What will we do now?
Don't worry, Arjun. It's time to apply my Chanakya Niti. Anvikshiki, the art of strategic thinking to be more precise.
प्रदीपः सर्वविद्यानाम् उपायः सर्वकर्मणाम् आश्रयः सर्वधर्माणां शश्वत आन्वीक्षिकी मता। आन्वीक्षिकी सभी विद्याओं की शाश्वत प्रदीप है, सभी कार्यों का शाश्वत साधन है और सभी धर्मों का शाश्वत आश्रय है।
We need to have the meeting of the Super Six. This is indeed very dangerous.
Yes, but let us keep it under wraps for the time being. Today, we are going to meet the others, but for planning the farewell party for Datta and Aditya. Have you forgotten?
Yes. First, farewell party needs to be planned. We don't want to give a rude shock to everyone. Come, let's go.
Hi everyone.
Hi, Lily.
Oh wow. I see we're getting geared up for the party.
Yes, indeed.
It is so sad that our gang will be broken.
Yes, I know. I am feeling miserable too. But you know, I have an idea. Why don't we all invite Virat?
Who is this? Virat?
He studies in our school and stays in our colony. Not many people know him. Well, he would be a good addition to our group. Chanakya, he is too good in technology and gadgets, and he can also teach you.
Well, that will be a win-win situation for everyone. I am very eager to meet him.
Yes, indeed, we all are.
Here comes the walking encyclopedia of maths, our dear old Lakshmi.
Millie, is something wrong with me? Why are they always after me?
Ignore the fools. Let them judge you. We know who you are.
Oh, the maths genius, the wizard of numbers, the maestro herself, Lakshmi Ji. Here we finally meet.
Sorry, do I know you?
But I know you, and I also know that you are part of the Super Six.
Lakshmi, I think he must be Virat, about whom we have heard so much.
Oh,
Hi Virat. Friends, he is Virat. You know, his ideas are really very unique. A techno geek in the true sense of the word.
Just stop it. And those round specs truly make you look more intelligent. I love wearing them. They make me look like Steve Jobs, my idol. I am really happy to finally meet you all.
Aditya and Datta, please open our gifts fast.
Okay, let me open this first. Oh, Virat. Oh, Virat. Oh, wow. A video game console. Awesome. Thank you so much.
That's cool. What else can a techno geek give? It has over 100 games. You can connect it to the computer and play them.
It's amazing. I am so impressed.
Virat knows everything about computers and is even building his own system.
Virat, you have now become the part of our gang. But Aditya and Datta, you've forgotten to open our gifts. Forgotten the old friends so soon, huh?
I'm opening them right away, Lakshmi. Wow, these photos, so many memories. Thank you guys. We will never forget you.
यारों की यारी ऐसी बीमारी बड़ी रंगीली ये जिम्मेदारी यारों की यारी ऐसी बीमारी बड़ी रंगीली ये जिम्मेदारी गलती करे बिन बात के पीछे हटे ना इस राह पे उल्टी चले बिन ताल के टेढ़े ही रहते रास्ते
हम जो मिले तो मिलते रहे जो मिले संग तो चलते रहे जो चले पल पल बढ़ते रहे जो बड़े रुक ना सके घड़ी की टिक टिक है लापता ये दुनियादारी लगती सजा जो मिले संग तो चलते रहे बजाए यूं हम तुम यहाँ
जब साथ में बैठे रहे सेल फोन को भूल जाते हैं हम यारों के संग जब बात हो बचपन में फिर लौट आते हैं हम जीते रहे जमीन करे रात भर जीते रहे बिंदास यूं बेफिक्र
हम जो मिले तो मिलते रहे जो मिले संग तो चलते रहे जो चले पल पल बढ़ते रहे जो बड़े रुक ना सके घड़ी की टिक टिक है लापता ये दुनियादारी लगती सजा जो मिले संग तो चलते रहे बजाए यूं ही हम तुम यहाँ
What a wonderful time we had today.
I will cherish it forever.
Time to go home, guys. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye.
Hey Virat, wait a minute. Don't forget that you have to complete my technology training.
Yes, but do you have a gadget?
Do I have a gadget? Well, that apparently has to be seen, since my parents had said,
We will see.
Well, friends, see what have I got. I did get the gadget. It's an old laptop, but it will do. Chalega. Maybe they have seen what they wanted to see, and here, I am finally holding a gadget in my hands. This gadget will be my weapon to unravel the mystery behind Lakshmi and Arjun's predicament. Are you all ready? Let's set the ball rolling. Get set, go!
घूमता है टूटा टूटा परिंदा रूठा रूठा घूमता है टूटा टूटा परिंदा रूठा रूठा टूटा टूटा परिंदा रूठा रूठा टूटा टूटा परिंदा रूठा रूठा घरोंदा बचाना उजड़ गई डाली डाली आसमां है वीराना जहाँ है खाली खाली उड़ू मैं कहाँ को बताना है मंजिल का पूछे कोई नाम तेरा तो मैंने हरब लिखा
उड़ा कागा उड़ा आसमान में घर से दूर जाए घर वालों की बात मान के शुरू रास्ता हुआ तो दिल है हार मान ले पर चलना इकलौता रास्ता जीवन रात सामने नई जगह नई हवा नए बादल नई वजह धीरे धीरे लगने लगी अपने घोंसले की तरह दूर घर से नया मका इतना होशी है कहा पर ये मका तो फिर अक्सर घर पे लौटने की तरह
परिंदे का घुट दम परिंदे को मिले तुम मिलके बोले ना कोई हम परिंदा है भीड़ में पशु इंसान लगे सब परिंदे को माँ की याद आई पर बोले ना उसे आती है शर्म परिंदा है परेशान उसे घोंसला ना मिले घर की भरे वो उड़ान पर कोई हौसला ना मिले आसमान उड़े वो तो उसे चोट कहाँ मिले दोष देने वाली दुनिया में या दोस्त कहाँ मिले बता उड़ जा कागा रे तोरा अंबर तो के पुकारे उड़ जा कागा रे तोरा अंबर तो के पुकारे घूमता है टूटा टूटा परिंदा रूठा रूठा घूमता है टूटा टूटा परिंदा रूठा रूठा टूटा टूटा परिंदा रूठा रूठा टूटा टूटा परिंदा रूठा रूठा
Oh, the weather outside. It is about to rain. As if the nature wants to reflect my inner turmoil.
Pooh! Lakshmi! Lakshmi!
Huh? Oh, Arjun! Stop annoying me.
Akka, you look so crestfallen. So sad. What is the matter?
Nothing. It's just that Aditya and Datta have left, and our gang will not be the same anymore.
Is this a real reason for you being sad? Or is there something else?
No, Arjun! I told you nothing is bothering me.
Lakshmi, allow me to help you.
I don't require any help, Arjun.
Okay. Let us meet Chanakya. He is waiting for us. He's going to share some news.
Okay, but what is this news about?
Even I don't know. Come, let us meet him.
Wait, where are you two going? It's about to rain.
Oh, Amma, we'll be back in no time. Please let us go, Amma.
Okay then. Here, take this umbrella and be quick.
Thank you, Amma.
Good. I wanted to meet you both, but especially I wanted to speak with you, Lakshmi.
With me? About what?
Stop putting up a facade, Lakshmi. We clearly know you're hiding something.
What is this, Arjun? You said he had some news to share.
Tell us, Akka, what is the problem? There is something that you're hiding from us.
No, I'm fine. You people are trying to cook up something that doesn't exist.
Akka, why are you hiding it from me?
I'm being bullied online.
Cyberbullying? Who is behind this?
I don't know. Really, I don't know.
We knew it, Lakshmi.
Really? How?
Please don't be mad at us. Arjun found out about this secret of yours quite accidentally because you had forgotten to log out from your account.
Arjun! You snoop!
Calm down, Lakshmi. Calm down.
I am frustrated. Every time I open Facebook, it is flooded with rather nasty messages. It seems somebody is watching me, knows everything about me. Whoever it is knows all about my conversations with my friends. I don't even know how Amma and Appa are going to react to this. I am scared to death. You know, the last message has already sent a chill down my spine. The bully has threatened me that I will be disqualified from the maths tournament. Somebody is watching me, Chanakya. I am doomed forever.
No worries. The person might know everything about you, Lakshmi, but they don't know anything about the Chanakya Neetis.
प्रभुतं कार्यमल्पं वातनर कर्तुम् इच्छति सर्वारम्भेन तत्कार्यं सिंहाद् एकं प्रचक्षते। मनुष्य को अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए शेर की तरह व्यवहार करना चाहिए। जिस तरह एक शेर अपने शिकार पर नज़र रख एकाग्रता के साथ उसको देखता है और अपनी पूरी ताकत के साथ शिकार पकड़ने का प्रयास करता है, उसी प्रकार मनुष्य को भी पूरी ताकत और एकाग्रता के साथ कोई भी कार्य करना चाहिए।
This is the internet, Chanakya. How will the Neetis help us to solve this problem?
Not just this problem, but all problems can be solved with these Neetis. The internet isn't going to stop our strategies.
What are the principles from the Chanakya Neeti we are using this time?
You need to wait and watch. Are you all ready for the mission Chakravyu?
I wonder where are these kids? Always late for everything.
Don't you worry. They must be playing together as usual. Hey, I heard that you have given a laptop to Chanakya.
What to do? This generation cannot live without gadgets.
हाँ, हमारे ज़माने में तो एक लिमलेट की गोली के लिए 25 पैसे मिलना भी मुश्किल था। और अभी के बच्चों को देखो, इन्हें तो गैजेट चाहिए, गैजेट।
बात तो सही है। चलो चलते हैं।
चलो, ज़माने के साथ चलते हैं।
Friends, this is the best day of my life. You know why? Well, I am no longer just an observer of the world of technology and social media. I'm also a part of it now. My new friend Virat has opened my email account for me. And I have one more secret to share. I am on the Facebook too. Isn't this all exciting? Anything for a friend in need. I had to take this step for Lakshmi. She has a battle to fight and I need to be part of it. By the way, I go by smartboy_Chanakya on the web. So, if you ever need my help, you know where to find me. Oh, Arjun and Lakshmi are waiting for me. We need to discuss something. Oh, I see them here. What luck.
Chanakya, we don't have enough time. I don't want to get disqualified from the maths tournament, and this person has already threatened to do that.
Relax, Lakshmi. We shouldn't rush this without having a plan. One of the sutras of Arthashastra advises us to study every piece of information that we have. We need to be thorough with the investigation. Let us first make a list of our suspects.
Okay. Let us start. Can it be Ashok? I don't know. He tried to annoy me the other day on my way to school. I'm not sure though.
It can be Smita or Rita too. I saw how they mocked you at the farewell party.
Maybe. But they've always been like that, you know? Snobbish. Hoity-toity.
Huh, you never know. Don't underestimate anyone.
You are right, Chanakya. I sometimes, I feel it is our school pune, Kappuji.
Arjun! Kappuji, what that poor man has to do with all of this?
What? Why can't he be the suspect? He always looks at me in a suspicious way. I always feel jittery around him. I know. No, I strongly feel there would be many skeletons in his closet.
Ha! Skeletons in his closet? Mr. 007, James Bond. What are you even talking about? And this ain't about you. It is about me. Remember?
Please stop. Be serious. Can it be Anjali? I remember you told me she had openly challenged you one day about the match tournament.
Maybe. My head is spinning now. Wait, can it be Anand? But he's so good with me. We always discuss and solve so many maths problems together. And frankly, I'm really gobsmacked right now with so many suspects around me. There is this Anu and there is one Rinku from my tuition classes. Both were upset that day for I had scored good in the class maths test paper. But they hardly know me.
Idea! A brilliant idea has struck my mind. What about Himalaya? He can also be the culprit.
Arjun! Not again! Perhaps you should permanently retire your sleuthing skills. Don't compel Mr. Sherlock Holmes to jump out of his grave to solve this case. Huh.
Lakshmi, why you must be so over the top always? Why? Himalaya can do it. And besides, you are insulting Chatur by inviting Mr. Sherlock Holmes.
Enough of you both. I don't think so. It is Himalaya. He got a severe punishment for what he did last time. And we have not seen him around.
Chanakya and Arjun. Look there. I can see Millie and Virat over there. What are they doing?
Leave them. We need to concentrate now. Let us think. Dwell upon the possible suspects with a cool mind and think deeply.
I bet Millie and Anjali to make it to the finals of the tournament, but they are both my friends. And I really can't think straight now. My mind is muddled. Honestly, we are overwhelmed right now with the number of suspects.
Don't worry. We have already begun the mission Chakraview.
Wait. Chanakya, I have a question. Why have you named this mission as Mission Chakraview? We both are really bewildered by the name. I was even wondering, why would you name it after our school's bus app? It is too called Chakraview. You know that, I'm sure.
Oh, Arjun, it's not named after school's bus app. Let me clear your bewilderment. Let me tell you a story.
वीर अभिमन्यु अर्जुन पुत्र ने सुभद्रा के कोख में सुनी कहानी थी। 9 माह में सीखी विद्या चक्रव्यूह की रचना जानी थी। चक्रव्यूह के काल चक्र में होनी अभिमन्यु की कुर्बानी थी। चक्रव्यूह में रण करने की अभिमन्यु ने मन में ठानी थी। 9 माह में सीखी विद्या सुभद्रा के कोख की एक कहानी थी। सुनते सुनते सो गई माँ बेचारी कहाँ जानती थी। सुनते सुनते सो गई माँ बेचारी कहाँ जानती थी। फंस जाएगा पुत्र उसका, जान तो उसकी जानी थी। चक्रव्यूह में प्रवेश करना जाना केवल अभिमन्यु ने। तोड़ न पाया चक्रव्यूह को, फंस कर रह गया शत्रुओं में। मृत्यु खड़ी थी सम्मुख उसके, फिर भी न उसने हार मानी थी। मां धरती की गोद में उसने आंखें अपनी बंद करनी थी। वीर गति पाकर अमर हुआ वो, चक्रव्यूह में ही उसकी मृत्यु आनी थी। वीर गति पाकर अमर हुआ वो, चक्रव्यूह में ही उसकी मृत्यु आनी थी। भेद न पाया चक्रव्यूह को, उसकी अमर कहानी थी। भेद न पाया चक्रव्यूह को, उसकी अमर कहानी थी। 9 माह में सीखी विद्या सुभद्रा पुत्र अभिमन्यु की यह कहानी थी।
This maze that keeps trapping an opponent is just like the internet, where we can't see our way out, nor we can see the enemy. There are so many walls and hidden barriers to overcome. They have us caught inside a labyrinth. But we will not get caught, we will emerge victorious. Arthashastra has numerous sutras and formulas to help us win the game and catch the culprit. These deadly tentacles of the web will perish. The faceless will vanquish. Our responsibility cannot be relinquished. The deadly fire of the net should be extinguished. The web of this Chakravyu will vanish. Lakshmi, it will end your anguish.
Chanakya, we are in more trouble than we had imagined. We just went another layer into that Chakravyu ourselves. What if we can't get out?
Stop going around in riddles. Tell me, what has happened?
I opened Facebook last night and there was a strange message from an anonymous user. It said, "You thought I was gone, but you were sorely mistaken. I am back. And I was wondering who has gone and who is back.
Wait, Lakshmi, just open your account. Here, read the messages that were sent to Lakshmi. Look at this message. It says, Math's a journey of numbers from 0 to infinity. I will make sure you get 0 even if you have infinite possibilities to beat me.
Says, you cheated in the tournament. While the other one says something about her trying to butt up Principal Ma'am for the tournament.
And both of you are getting messages from two different accounts.
Don't tell me that there is an entire gang which is working against me. Or is it Himalaya who is doing all these things?
No, it can't be Himalaya. See, this person is aware that Lakshmi has been chosen to participate in the match tournament, which means they are trying to force her to back out from the tournament while also trying to see that Himalaya has returned, making us go in circles, huh? This means the bully knows us enough to know what would scare us.
But what do we do now? We can't go and ask our friends directly.
Yes, Lakshmi, you are right. We can't. Whoever is the person hiding behind the net, it's time to set the trap. Messages, messages, and more messages. And the culprit is still hiding somewhere inside the bottomless pit of the internet. But I will make sure to drag this faceless devil from wherever he is hiding. Now, my resolve has become even more stronger because I am going to use the ancient Shastra of Na iti, na iti. Puzzle. Well, I was puzzled too until my father, Dr. Guru Prasad, helped me understand the power of na iti, and told me how it will give answers to all my troubles. Na iti, which means not this, not that, was an ancient technique taught by Venerable Acharya Chanakya in the olden times. It helps us reach the truth through the power of negation. It can help us to logically narrow down what we seek from a larger list of things. So, friends, let us now unleash the power of Na iti, na iti. I need to make a list of suspects who were around us today, are in the same standard as Lakshmi, and could be participating in the tournament. I think all this has to do with the match tournament. Let me start with my na iti, not this, not that. Millie, Lakshmi's best friend, participated in the prelims of the match tournament, but then didn't make it to the next round. Ticks many boxes. My suspect number 1. Anand won the match tournament last year, but only beat Lakshmi by 1 point. Doesn't have too many friends in the colony. I think he also has a motive. My suspect number 2. Anjali plays basketball, good at maths, challenged Lakshmi openly on the day of assembly. Is Lakshmi's friend too? Great. She also ticks many boxes. My suspect number 3. Aha, Rita Mock Lakshmi at the farewell party. Not good at maths. Eliminated. Smita. Huh. Mock Lakshmi at the party. Always troubles her. Not interested in maths. Therefore, eliminated. Ashok. Irritated Lakshmi, but that is not new. He irritates everyone. Good in maths, but did not participate in the tournament. So I guess he is also eliminated from my list. Okay. Virat. The part of our gang started playing with this recently. Doesn't know much about Lakshmi. Good at computers and technology though. I am not sure, but he does tick some boxes. He will be my final suspect. My suspect number 4. Should I include Himalaya too? Maybe. No. He is too eliminated. I know Millie and Virat are part of the gang. But I have to explore all the possibilities now. Time to turn to the next chapter of this thrilling story.
Hey Chanakya, I asked whether you're looking for someone.
No. I was just passing by. Thought I would say hi to Lakshmi.
Oh, why would she be here? I saw her going towards the library. As usual, I guess. She's studying for her competition. Okay, I have to meet Millie. Bye.
Wait, Anjali, let me give you company.
Whatever.
How are the classes going on with the new projectors installed?
Oh, that. Yeah, it was fun. But unfortunately, our projector broke. We don't know who the culprit is. And we won't get a replacement until winter break as punishment.
Aha.
What?
Nothing. You said you were getting late.
Oh, yes. Bye.
Chatur, I think we should inform our parents. You don't realize that the maths tournament is next Sunday.
No. Shh. Arjun, we are very close to finding the culprit. We can't leave the battlefield now.
Are you sure? Because be aware that Lakshmi has not been sleeping. I am anxious and in anticipation of her win, my parents are planning to gift her a dog. They are so sure that she'll win. Just don't let us down.
A dog?
Yes, although this news has to be kept as a secret.
Thank God. I have an idea.
What?
Nothing. You just wait and watch.
Okay. You carry on with your ideas. I have some work. I'll meet you later.
How strange. Why is Lakshmi hiding those books? Is she hiding something from me? Has she done something wrong? Are those messages pointing out toward the truth? Or they are just pointing out towards a blatant lie? It's time, dear friends, to let the cat out of the bag. Hey, Anjali, have something to share with you. Projector, culprit, broke. Don't tell anyone.
Oh, can't be. But,
Hey, Anand.
What? Okay.
Hey, Millie. Will you be there at the Ganesh colony in the evening?
Yes, yes. Why?
You know, I want to. Arjun. Me.
Okay. I'll meet you in the evening.
Whoa. Hey, buddy. I heard that you were very quick today with the answers in your computer class. Just like a flash.
That's nothing, Chanakya.
You know, books. Don't. Lakshmi. Remember?
Is it? I promise I won't.
Come, let's go then.
Where is Chanakya auntie?
come, come. Oh, Lakshmi, this late? What is the matter?
It is very urgent, auntie.
Go inside. He's in his room.
I trusted you, Chanakya. I should have never told you anything.
What are you even talking about?
Look at this message. It was wrong to trust you. I will withdraw my name from the tournament.
Wait, don't do that.
You have spread a lie about me that I have stolen books from the library. The bully has specially mentioned your name in the message that you have shared the information with him. Oh, what have you done, Chanakya? You are my best friend. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. All this while, were you part of this too? Oh my God.
Please, Lakshmi, listen. You are wrong.
Enough. I'm going to back out from the tournament.
Don't buckle under the pressure now. You are strong. At least listen to me. Lakshmi, wait. I know Lakshmi feels betrayed, but I need to wait and watch. I think this means the enemy has entered my Chakravyuh and my plan is working. I need to check my laptop too. Perhaps there is a message for me too. Yes! Yes, yes! I knew it! I cracked it! Time to spill the beans! Hello, Sumana auntie. Is Ratan uncle around?
Chanakya is here. Arjun, Lakshmi.
You again? Chanakya, leave us alone.
Lakshmi, please wait. Uncle and auntie, I want to tell you something. Lakshmi is being bullied online.
Bullied online? What do you mean?
You know, Mom,
Hi, Auntie. Chanakya called us here.
They are required for the discussion, auntie. Good, you all came. I was just telling Lakshmi's parents about the cyberbully.
Bully? What are you talking about? Wait a minute. Are you on social media, Lakshmi?
Lakshmi, when did all this happen?
Virat, can you explain?
I helped Arjun, Aditya, and Chanakya open their accounts. But that's all. I don't know anything else.
We all had opened the accounts to keep in touch with Aditya and Datta. All was going well until we found out Lakshmi was being bullied. Then we too started getting messages. And then we decided to find out who was doing it. And thankfully, now we know.
Was it Himalaya?
Why do you think so?
Maybe he was angry for being expelled from the school. Aditya had told me one day about this.
No, Virat, it wasn't Himalaya. In fact, you know who the bully is.
No, I don't know. How will I know?
Virat, if you know something, you should tell us now. I promise you won't be in trouble.
I swear I don't know. In fact, I was attending my tuition classes when Chanakya got the message with the scissors image.
Wait, Virat, how do you know Chanakya received this message?
It is because Virat is the bully.
I cannot believe this. It was you? Explain everything right away.
It is true. I am the bully. I am really sorry.
Virat, we trusted you. And all this while, you were bullying my sister. Why did you do this, Virat?
People always made fun of me for being thin and weak. Even though my name means the exact opposite. I wanted to participate in the inter-school match tournament, but had lost to Anand during the prelims. I was very upset. Lakshmi and Anand were always endlessly talking about the preparation. I was jealous and therefore started troubling them on Facebook.
So, you are the one sending all those filthy messages, Virat. You know, I was going to withdraw my name from the tournament tomorrow. I was so scared.
I thought both of them will withdraw their names and I would get a chance to participate and win the tournament easily.
I am calling your parents.
No, auntie. Please, no.
It is better we go and meet them. You have to be honest to your parents, Virat. Remember, your actions have consequences.
Virat, jealousy and vanity will take you nowhere. You betrayed your friends.
Well done, Chanakya.
Chanakya, tell us, how did you know it was Virat?
Yes, tell us.
You know, I had suspected all of you. Anjali had told me about the broken projector, and I purposely told her that it was Lakshmi who had broken it. Remember, Arjun, you had told me that your parents would be gifting a dog to Lakshmi. Well, that information I shared with Millie and asked her to keep it a secret. By chance, I had seen Lakshmi carrying some books from the library. I met Virat and told him that I had seen Lakshmi stealing books from the library and that I did not know whether to confront her or not. I knew whoever would be the bully, he or she would definitely use my information to harass Lakshmi and Arjun or enter my Chakravyu. After setting the trap, I just waited. Just as the Chakravyu is created to confuse its victims and trap them, Virat walked right into my maze. He messaged Lakshmi saying he knew she had stolen the books from the library. Soon after I received the scissors image, That's it. I didn't waste a second and asked Arjun to call everyone at his place. Sorry, Millie and Anand. I had suspected you too.
No worries. You were only doing what a friend could do.
But Lakshmi has lost a twinkle in her eyes. Is there a new problem? Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Yippee! Lakshmi has won the maths tournament.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Miss Worldwide, let's celebrate.
I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate. Tonight I'm making history. I just wanna celebrate.
Turn it up. Turn it up. Let's celebrate.
I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate. Tonight I'm making history. I just wanna celebrate.
Turn it up. Turn it up. Let's celebrate.
Lakshmi, congratulations once again for winning the inter-school maths tournament. Your parents are really happy and are proud of you. We all are proud of you.
Thanks for the party. What a party it was. We enjoyed a lot.
I am grateful to all of you.
Yeah, but what next? No more gadgets? Remember, we all were punished by our parents.
But
Yes. Just imagine, we will be given access to our gadgets only after our final exams. It is going to be really difficult. I know you all are upset. I am too. I really believe that we should all learn about technology, but there are a lot of flip sides to technology. We can't be targeted online. It can not only be make you lonely, but also vulnerable.
But how do we get to know the dangers of online platforms and social media?
Through Vriddha Sanyog.
श्रोतव्यं खलु वृद्धानाम इति शास्त्र निदर्शनम। वृद्धों की बात सुननी चाहिए, ऐसा शास्त्रों का कथन है।
If we involve our elders and keep them informed, whenever we do something on social media or online platforms, they will teach us where to draw the line. They will keep us safe and secure in this cyber world. Lakshmi, you seem to be very silent.
No, I'm okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Of course, Chanakya.
When you knew you hadn't done anything wrong, why were you afraid of the bully?
I was scared, Chanakya, because I had helped Anjali during the qualifiers for the tournament.
It is okay, Lakshmi. You have understood that it was wrong on your part to help her.
Not just that, I had also stolen Anjali's library card to borrow books from the library because I was not allowed to check out more than 2 books from my own card. I got scared. I have never done such a thing. I know you're all disappointed in me and I shouldn't have done that, but I really needed those books. Oh God, what have I done?
Lakshmi, I think you owe an explanation to Anjali and the librarian.
Yes, and that is exactly what I'm going to do.
Let us all forget and forgive. It's all about giving second chances.
talking about second chances, why can't we all forgive Virat? Look, he's sitting there alone.
Yes, why ignore him now when everything is resolved?
Hey Virat,
Hi, Lakshmi.
Virat, we want you back in the Super 6.
Oh, no. I don't deserve you people. After what I have done, I don't expect your forgiveness. I really feel miserable and ashamed.
You know, Virat, life is all about giving second chances. Sometimes good people make wrong choices. You have embraced your mistake and we know you repent what you have done.
So, do you all forgive me?
yes, let us all forget and forgive.
Yes,
We did it!
We are the amazing Super 6 of Ganesh Colony.
And he is our friend
Chatur Chanakya. Our friend Chatur Chanakya.
This was only possible because of the Chanakya Nitis propagated by Acharya Chanakya. Speaking about his Nitis, look, who do we have here?
I am really glad, Chatur, that you are preaching my Chanakya Nitis. These Nitis can help you to plan your action and to strategize your focus. And I would like to thank Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai for empowering our children with the art of strategic thinking. Thank you.
Here's to the new beginnings.
सुन ले मेरे यार जरा, जग हुआ बेकार जरा, दिल हुआ बेजार जरा। सुन ले मेरे यार जरा, जग हुआ बेकार जरा, दिल हुआ बेजार जरा। तो चल छोड़ दे ये दुनियादारी, तू है मेरा और अपनी यारी। तो चल छोड़ दे ये दुनियादारी, तू है मेरा और अपनी यारी। सपनों को तेरे वो पंख दे जाए, टेंशन को तेरे चुटकी में भुलाए। अरे तेरी बुराई पे डांटे चिल्लाए, खुशियाँ वो तेरी तो वो नाचे गाए। मुश्किल जाए ना कहीं, दिल मिल प्यार कहीं, ये घर बार कहीं, ये संसार कहीं। अरे तेरी खातिर दुनिया से भिड़ जाए। सुन ले मेरे यार जरा, जग लगे है आज बुरा, लग जग ले यार जरा। अरे सुन ले मेरे यार जरा, जग हुआ बेकार जरा, दिल हुआ बेजार जरा। तो चल छोड़ दे ये दुनियादारी, तू है मेरा और अपनी यारी। तो चल छोड़ दे ये दुनियादारी, तू है मेरा और अपनी यारी। सुन ले मेरे यार जरा, जग हुआ बेकार जरा।
कैसा लगा? एक बात कहूंगा, जोर से बोलो, चाणक्य की जय, चाणक्य की जय. आई एम सपोज टू स्पीक बट नॉट टू मच, नहीं तो पूरा लेक्चर ले लूंगा. कसं वाटलं? No, I'll tell you, जब एक किताब लिखा था मैंने, I never thought it will be in a dramatic form. I know that ma'am came and all the teachers came. They sent me the script and said, you know, इसमें the school should not be Vani Vidyalaya, the school should be Arya Gurukul. So actually in the book, it is Vani Vidyalaya, my school. And let me tell you that all the characters are real. Lakshmi, actually the real character, she's my daughter. Arjun is my son's name. Datta and Aditya Shiv Bhaskar's children's name. And they actually went to Aurangabad. But cyberbullying did not happen. Huh? But I am to tell you something. Number one, please give a round of applause to all of them. Yeah. ये पेंटिंग चाणक्य की एक प्यारी बच्ची ने बनाई. वो बच्ची मेरी कहाँ है? She was acting. I would like you to please come and
Unravel it.
तू भी बेटा हाथ लगा. तू भी हाथ लगा please. And this is a painting.
Wow. So nice.
My name is Kirti Rajendra Gite. I'm from grade 8. And I'm so thankful to Hemant sir and my school for giving me this opportunity. And I'm so thankful.
Thank you.
I'm been told कि मुझे ज़्यादा बात नहीं करना है, तो मैं आज ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगा because इन बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस देखने के बाद, oh my God, Lakshmi really acted like a real Lakshmi, you know. And all the situation ये हमारे आज के समाज में रोज होता है. हमारे बच्चे इस दौर से जा रहे हैं, तो इसलिए हमने सोचा कि ये जो कार्यक्रम है, क्यों ना हम इसको अपने बच्चों को दिखाया जाए. आज ये बच्चे समझ गए हैं कि कैसा you have to save yourself. I have with me one wonderful guest and who knows psychological very well. I would like you to tell ma'am, आपको कैसा लगा?
Really, I'm overwhelmed because I thought I'll start with the namaste, then good morning, then Shubh Sakal, but it became till afternoon a mesmerizing performance I was noticing. I would like to speak few things only because I think time is running. I must firstly really congratulate ETF, like Education Today Foundation, curators of the Education Today Foundation, Mr. Bharat and the family, as you say, for really sculpting these children into such wonderful, wonderful architecture. I would say that this is the future of our nation. And every time we see this, I must please make a bigger round of applause. We must say that you are doing human service to the nation. When I wanted to speak regarding this only. The well-being, the cognitive, emotional, social development. As a psychologist, I'll put a lot of emphasis on how we have to curate the emotional well-being in the children. And what best performance can be than to really emphasize on social connectedness. Technology cannot be ignored. If I go back to 45 years, and in my childhood when I was sitting like in this on the stage performing, I remember what has changed. Only 3 things have changed. Competition is huge, pressure is huge, and technology has come in. So if you have to really compete with this, what is required? A holistic development and along with that, a wellness, the well-being, emotional, psychological, and social well-being. For that, Adler, a very famous psychologist, has said that social connectedness is a barometer of psychological health. Please remember. So when we say that we are socially connected with each one of us, not on the platform which is virtual, and the Chanakya so beautifully said, forget, let's be together. Technology is going to thrive, but we have to adapt with the flexibility and be a regulator, be a controller, be the admin of the virtual world. There you can run and be connected with each one of us. So towards the end, I would only say this, that there's a lot to achieve in our children, in the holistic development when you address emotional well-being and the cyberbullying which is there to exist. I don't have time. I could have given hundreds of examples of this, but please remember, never ever forget to be socially connected with your people, with your friends, with your family. So there, 3 cheers to the proud parents of the Arya Gurukul school children. You have really taken a right selection, and I don't think so anywhere you will find such holistic development. Really, 3 cheers to you, Mr. Malik. Thank you.
Well said, ma'am. हम मैडम को छोड़ेंगे नहीं, इनकी बहुत बड़ा इतिहास है, अमरनाथ में ही रहती हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे स्कूल के साथ कनेक्ट हो. मैम, वी वांट योर दिस एंड विल हैव ए इंटरेक्शन विद पेरेंट्स आल्सो ऑन दिस टॉपिक. हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही अच्छे दोस्त हैं अशोक जी. अशोक जी आल्सो रन्स नंबर ऑफ स्कूल, मेरे बहुत प्यारे दोस्त हैं. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट.
Respected Malik sir, Malik madam, principal and all tier teachers and parents. I won't be speaking because I thought it's time to end the program. But Malik sir is a Bhishmacharya for us. And thank you so much. But I was watching very keenly everything. And believe me, I've rarely seen these kind of programs. Parents, I'm an educator for 32 years. I taught in a college. I was the vice principal of the college. I've seen university cultural programs. I've coordinated programs. But theme-based, students were speaking from here, they were singing, they were dancing. And nothing was, artificial. Everything was so synced, choreographed, and executed in such a fantasy I've never seen. This is something unique. And congratulations to whole team for this. ऐसे कहते हैं कि मराठी में हमने कहा था कि छड़ी बाजे छम छम विद्या घम घम. वो ज़माना चला गया है. आज एक कुमार की तरह काम करना पड़ता है. और इतने नाजुक हाथ है, इतने स्किल हाथ है आपके टीचर्स के और आपके मैनेजमेंट के कि बच्चों को इतने बेहतरीन बना रहे हैं. Congratulations to the parents and congratulations to the students and wish all the best. So thank you so much once again inviting me, honoring me and giving me chance to see your program. Thank you so much.
Well, समय को लेते हुए हमारे पास हमारे प्यारे एल्यूमनाई आए हैं. This Bhardwaj has been in Shark. He is the youngest man who got funding from Shark, am I right? Shark Tank. मगर मैं अभी उसको बोलने नहीं दूंगा, आपको रुकना पड़ेगा. इसके पास भी बहुत प्यारी कहानी है and he wants to talk to you. Am I right? You, what's your name? Harshad also is alumni, so a lot of alumni are here who will tell you that he also has started up as a startup. So these two startup men will tell you how your children have to move forward. Outer ji, आपसे सुनेंगे ब्रेक के बाद.
So we also have many more alumni waiting here. At the end of the show, you will be felicitated. We have many more here. Hi. And thank you parents for the patient waiting. We have one more show to go. We'll go for a quick break and we'll come back right away. Thank you.